How to stop seeing TikTok videos you're not interested in. So all you have to do is to go here to your TikTok application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, what you want to do is to choose the TikTok video that you are not interested in. So you have to just scroll there. So let's say this one, you're not interested to this video or this content. Then on the right side, you will see a lot of options and you will see the share icon or the arrow icon there. Tap on that and these options will come out. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see report, not interested, why this video, and turn off captions. So, since we want to stop seeing TikTok videos you're not interested in, tap on not interested, and the TikTok will actually show you fewer of the same content of that video. And basically, that is how you stop seeing TikTok videos you're not interested in. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.